Okay, so this is a very rough build for a shoe rack. The space that I have is around 6 inches. I'm using 5-inch boards, about 1 inch thick. So the shoes are going to be placed in this manner. And the shelves will be supported by dados within the wood. And hopefully complete the build without using a single screw. Let's get on with it. So first we have to completely sand all pieces of wood. So I went ahead and made the markings where I would want all the shelves and the dados to be. The bottom 3 shelves would be around 7.5 inches, while the rest are going to be 5 inches. And yeah, I made a few dados for testing with the circular saw. To show you how to make dados using the circular saw, I'm using one of those marble cutters because it's cheaper. Set the depth to the required, in my case it's a 1/2 inch, and make your markings. I would suggest you use a guide on the other side. I can attach one to this side, so here goes. Nice, clean and smooth. So I need to repeat this process for all the shelves, and for support I'm using the same 1-inch board at the bottom and the top. So the dados are ready. Now we just need to place them in the spot and measure the length of each shelf. So these go in front of each other. So before we go ahead with the installation, these are the bottom skirtings, and I will treat them with motor oil as a stain. Well, I haven't thought about what I'm going to use for the rest of the project, but for this it's going to provide some protection against water. So here it goes. So this is what it looks like after being treated with motor oil. This is actually used motor oil. Let's give a nice dark grain texture to it. And like so, I keep stacking all of these shelves one by one. Oh shit. We've cut them all down to size, and let's sand them and put them on. So we'll be sanding them off with a 60 grit brown paper. And so it is finally done.